you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. Happy to be here. Happy to have you guys here. If you are a first timer or to the channel or new to the Strat, then welcome to the channel, guys. To you as well. We are about to change the way that you guys trade in the stock market. If you haven't done so yet, click that subscribe button down below at the bottom of the screen. More importantly, click that bell. That bell gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day. Okay, these are our top 5 plays, our top 5 watch list for Wednesday, June 15th. Guys, I send these videos out for you guys for free every day. I also send out weekly swings, monthly swings. There's a bigger watch list that I send out. I send out informational videos, motivational videos. I've got over 200 videos for you guys to learn from, to learn the strat. I've got trade review videos. I've got how to trade different scenarios like inside bars, outside bars, 3-1 setups. Paul Ituaro's coined hashtag 30 and 30 setups on the 30-minute chart. I've got 4 of those. How to play gap videos, what a broadening formation is, what these candlestick numbers are, entries and exits, how to manage trades. Okay, the list goes on and on and on, and I make these for you guys to help you guys out to learn the strat to become better traders. You can also follow along with me on Twitter. I call out plays there as well during the day. Follow me there, comment there, DM me there. There's no silly questions. There's no dumb questions, guys. Ask away. I will answer them for you. I'm here for you guys. You can also comment down below on any single one of my videos on YouTube, and I will get back to you there as well. Now, before we get into this list, I want to mention one thing. I do these videos for you guys for free. I don't ever want to have to charge you guys for this. I want to keep your money in your pocket. In saying that, the way to do that, when the ads pop up, whether it's a 15 or 30-second ad, I ask you guys to please watch that ad. Let the advertisers pay for your guys' education on this, okay? You watch the ads, they pay for it, okay? That's how we do it, and that's how we can keep this free for everyone. And on that note, because I am monetized now, and because it is because of you guys, I want to give something back to you guys. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. I got to see what the monetization process is like, but whether it's, you know, $25 or $50 that I give back to somebody, I want to do that for you guys to show my appreciation, okay? So thank you guys very much. Let's get started on this top 5 watch list for Wednesday, June 15th. First one on the list, IBM inside bar. Okay, guys, for those of you that follow with me all the time, you know what an inside bar is. For those of you that don't, an inside bar or a 1 bar stays within the range of the previous candle. It does not break the high. It does not break the low. Stays within the range, and it's consolidating, and it's a tightening range, okay? So think of these yellow bars as a spring, and when you load a spring and release it, it explodes to one side or the other, okay? And we can go back in history and look at inside bars and how they react, and they don't always work, but you can see a nice break up here for 4 days. Inside bar, break to the high side. Inside bar, break to the downside. Inside bar, big break up to the upside. Okay, so probabilities tell us that these inside bars are powerful setups and they work really well. And the first time I was successful trading options was because I traded off of these inside bars. So that's why I really like them. I think they're a really good thing for a new stratter or a new trader to watch for. They're easy to spot and they're easy to trade off of, okay? So the day, the week, quarterly, and yearly are all green. If we are to turn that month to green, we have a fair ways to go way up here at 139.68, which on the daily chart is right up in this range here. So outside of this month, this day and this week for tomorrow are green. It would be very easy for us to change that week and that day to red as well on IBM. So either side of this thing might work tomorrow. Calls at 136.95, puts at 134.86. Our targets or pivot points or order of magnitude are the tops of the preceding wicks if we have calls, or if it trends down, it's the bottom of the preceding wick. So that's IBM. Let's move on to the next one. We've got RBLX. It's Roblox. RBLX has a 2-up that finished red. The only thing about this one, guys, is this first target is low. So if we hit it and retrace, just be cautious of that, okay? The day, the month, the quarterly, and yearly are all red. The week will not take much. If we trigger on the day, this week will be red. We'll have full time frame continuity to the downside. So puts at $25.17 on Roblox. Apple AAPL is up next. Inside bar on Apple. Calls at 133.89. Puts at 131.48. Full time frame continuity to the downside. So look for Apple tomorrow. And guys, these plays are in no particular order. I don't look at one any more than the other. I did have somebody ask me for a top 2 list. I guess I could do that. Apple, because of its liquidity, would be on that top 2 list, okay? So Apple for sure is something that I will be watching tomorrow. AMC also has an inside bar. And guys, if you want more examples on this, you can go watch the inside bar video that I've got. It's an older video, so the sound quality isn't as great, but it'll show you, again, how to trade inside bars, maybe a little bit more in depth than what we're doing now, okay? So inside bar on AMC, calls at 12.05, puts at $11.11. Magnitude to the downside is definitely not as good as it is to the upside, okay, based off of the targets. So that is AMC, and that's play number 4. Number 5 is Macy's, ticker symbol M, inside bar on Macy's. Calls at $21.97, puts at $21.13, full time frame continuity to the downside outside of this daily candle that was today. And that is Macy's. And I will give you one bonus play here. Citigroup, ticker symbol C. I believe it's another inside bar. It is. So calls on this one at 46.73. First target here. Second target at the bottom of the wick because we have a gap. Okay, and on those gap plays, the bottoms, if we're trending up, become your new target. To the downside, it's puts at 45.55 with our full time frame continuity to the downside. And if you're asking me again, this would be another one that I would be looking at because of its liquidity. The spread between the bid and the ask are very tight. Same with on Apple, okay? And just as a recall here that I went over on the main watch list, let's look at SPY here for a quick second. SPY is at the bottom of a broadening formation, okay? So if I zoom out of here and we look at this broadening formation, or the bottom of it anyways, okay? We've got, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit better here. We've got lower lows and lower lows and lower lows and lower lows. We keep tagging it. It's not a coincidence, guys, the way this stuff works. If you look at the way I drew this broadening formation, those 2 dots here and here, that's where I drew the broadening formation. Those are my 2 points. Everything else just lines up nicely with it. It's not a coincidence. So again, broadening formation, check out the video. And then we tag it again here. Okay, so this is what we call exhaustion risk. We have time frame continuity to the downside, but we've taken out all of these pivots, okay, to this point, and we've tagged the broadening formation. We can look for a reverse to the upside, okay, based on this information here. Okay, based on what we see on the broadening formation. So SPY is something else that I will be watching tomorrow. The Fed is tomorrow as well, so we want to be cautious of that and see what happens there. Okay, guys, that's the top 5. Couple of bonus plays, a little bit of an extra tidbit here with SPY and the broadening formation that I went through with you guys. Hopefully it's helpful. I hope you guys have a really great trading day on Wednesday. Good luck. Go green. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. Subscribe. Watch those ads. Let's keep this stuff free for you guys. And we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.